Tired of being just another faceless creator? Want to stand out from the crowd and boost your channel's growth? It's time to create your own talking animated avatar. I'm not here to waste your time. That's why in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using free AI tools. As you can see, channels with animated avatars are now taking over YouTube and other platforms. Just look at AI Guy and Digital Income Creator. They've seen massive growth and increased income thanks to their avatars. So don't get left behind. Even if you're in a different niche, a captivating avatar can make a huge difference. Let's dive into the creative process. The first step is to create a character for our video. In this video, I am going to teach you 2 avatars. To generate an avatar, I am going to use Leonardo AI, but you can use any other platform you prefer. But if you like Leonardo AI, you'll find the link in the video description or the card above. Now, let us create the avatars. First, sign up for Leonardo's free account and select Image Creation. Then, choose the Leonardo's Phoenix preset. Next, set the dimensions to 16 by 9 and medium. Now we should make sure to ask it for 4 options so we have some variability. Now we're going to type the prompt. For this video, I've pasted an example prompt in the description that you can use directly. Basically, the prompt is telling what the avatar should be wearing, what the room looks like, and everything we need Leonardo to give us. Next, just click Generate and wait for Leonardo AI to create 4 images. I think that these options are great, but if you want to make more variations, we can click on Generate to create 4 more images, or we can edit the prompt if you feel like it's missing something. For example, I can ask it to change the color of the jacket to blue like this. This might end up taking a few tries for us to get the perfect avatar. Now, we are done on the first avatar. For the second one, I have received a comment that this is not how he creates an avatar. So I will use his techniques for prompts to create an avatar like he does. So for the second avatar, we will just change the presets to Cinematic Kino. Next, enter the prompt that is also on the video description. And just like the first avatar, we will generate it and look for the one we prefer. And there you have it, a crystal clear avatar. Step 2, we will make our created avatar talk and have its own voice. To do this, we will use HitPaw Edimakor. HitPaw is a free AI-powered video creation platform that streamlines video production with a suite of AI-driven tools offering lifelike avatars and an extensive selection of realistic AI voices across multiple languages and styles. To get started, click the link in the description of this video. This will bring you to the HitPaw Edimakor. Then, download the app for Windows. To make your AI avatar talk, start by opening the app and selecting Create Video. Next, press AI Avatar in the top right corner. Here, you would see an extensive library of avatars. But for this video, we are going to focus on the talking photo. Click it and import our generated avatar. Next, you can see in the left panel how we can make our avatar talk. There are 3 options for you to choose from, like text-to-speech, local audio, and record voice. Here, we're going to use 2 options for the first avatar. We are going to use the text-speech option. In the text box, you can type or paste your video script. Now, click here to choose the AI voiceover you like. Choose from their extensive library and click Confirm. Then press Generate and wait for it to finish. Next, we will make our second avatar talk. Just repeat the process until you reach the selection on how will you add a voice for the avatar. Here we will use the next option, which is local audio. In local audio, import the audio file you created, then hit Generate and wait for the AI to work. And here are the talking avatars.
Hi, this created to try how to make your avatar talk.
And if you are enjoying this content right now, please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to comment on which of our avatars you are going to use. Let's go!
Step 3, we are going to integrate your talking avatar into your niche and create a video. First, we are going to ask ChatGPT with this prompt. Basically, the prompt tells ChatGPT that we have started a faceless channel where we upload about our niche, and can it give us 25 viral video ideas. Once it is done, select an idea and let's go back to HitPaw. Here, click Create a Video to start. In the top left, under the text, you can see there is AI copywriting. Just click it. In the pop-up panel, you can choose what type of script you want to write. Let's go to Custom Input. In the message box, ask AI to write a YouTube video script about the topic you choose and copy it. Now, we are going to create an AI avatar and AI voiceover for it. Click AI avatar at the top, paste your video script, and select an avatar voice, or we can just upload an audio file of the script. Then, hit Generate. Now, you have your AI avatar and AI voiceover. Next, we will create subtitles. Just drag the video into the timeline and right-click. Choose Speech to Text. Now, you will have your subtitle. Just edit it. For a baseline, I like to choose this style and cut the subtitles per 3 words like this. As you can see, the video we just made is still not attractive enough. That's why we need to add some details. Import some images and videos related to the topic and put them on the timeline. Just edit it according to the script. Next, we will put some memes and emojis. Luckily, HitPaw has an intensive library for it. Just go to Elements, then select Giphy stickers and choose what you like from their library. To complete our video, choose background music from the YouTube library that perfectly complements the mood and tone of your script. Then import it to HitPaw and put it to the timeline. Now, cut it at the same time as the video. Next, adjust the volume to 30 to 40% to ensure it doesn't overpower the visuals or narration. Once you've finished editing, click Export and watch our AI video come to life.
Explore 5 easy ways to make money with AI technology in this video. Idea 1. Develop AI-powered software or apps for businesses. Idea 2. Offer AI consulting services to companies. Idea 3. Sell AI-generated products like art or music. Idea 4. Become an AI data analyst for businesses. Idea 5. Teach AI courses or workshops online or in person. Learn how to make money with AI technology through software development, consulting, product sales, data analysis, or teaching workshops. Subscribe for more tips on earning with AI technology. Stay tuned for the next video.
That's it. You now have the tools to create your own viral talking animated avatars. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go out there, experiment, and share your creations with the world. Want to take your AI video creation to the next level? Stay tuned for my next video, How I Create a Viral Horror Videos with AI Free. I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and some spooky AI tools that will help you create terrifying content. See you there.